Another example, we have the premises. The first one, P or not Q. So this is premise number 1. And premise number 2 is if Q then P, sorry. And the 3 dots mean therefore the conclusion P or Q. So write it as the symbolic form. We're going to start with the 2 premises, connect with the and, all together in one bracket as an antecedent, then conclusion. The conclusion statement is P or Q. With this, we're going to need column for P, column for Q, column for not Q, column for P or not Q for the first premise, and column for Q then P for the second premise, and the column for P or not Q and Q then P for the antecedent or the left compound statement, or the compound statement on the left of the arrow sign. And we're gonna need the P or Q, which is the conclusion column. And the last one would be the compound statement to represent this argument. So how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna need 8 columns. The insert table can make it insert table. We should do 8 of them. So column, 8 column, and the row like 5 row. So the first one gonna be column P. Next can be column Q. Next can be not Q, P or not Q, Q then P. Next gonna be the connective and of the 2 premises. The next one is the conclusion one, and the last is the final compound statement or the result of this compound statement. All right, for the P, true, true, false, false. The Q, true, false, true, false. Negation the Q, which is opposite of the truth value of the Q, gonna be false, true, false, true. The next one gonna be P or not Q. P or not Q. I'm gonna put a small one here, which is the column for the P. Just copy the P over. So T, T, F, F, and connect with the OR. Put a note here. The OR, the case that both of them F there. False or false, the result gonna be false. Otherwise, you're gonna get the true value. For the OR, P or not Q, true or false gonna be true. True or true gonna be true. False or false. So this is the case you're gonna return F. False or true gonna be true. Next one, Q then P. The if then, put the note here again, if then or the conditional statement where the antecedent is true, the consequent is false, the result gonna be false. Otherwise, you're gonna get the rest of them gonna be the true statement. So Q then P. Make sure you have it in order to make more convenient. So we're gonna put Q here and then P here as the kind of the prep for this column. Q then P. The Q has TF, TF. The P has T, TFF. And if then the arrow or the conditional statement for the Q then P or true then true, we get true. False then true, we get true. True then false. So this is the case that we're gonna get false. The last one, false then false, gonna be true. The next column, we're gonna connect P or not Q with the Q then P, which means we connect the two premises together with the connective AND. Okay, the connective AND, we call the AND. Both of them must be true to get true, otherwise you get false. Do they look the same? The true and true, the answer true. True and true, the answer true. False and false, this is not both true, so the result going to be F. The true and true going to be true. So the premises are done. For the conclusion column, P or Q. So P, Q, for our convenience, put them next to each other. True, true, false, false. True, false, true, true. True, false, true, false. For the or means both of them false to return false. Otherwise, it's going to be true. Both of them true, the answer true. True or false, this is true. False or true, going to be true. False or false, this is the case that only give you the false. Now, what we have the portion on the left side of the arrow and the portion on the right side of the arrow. Therefore, we're gonna connect with the if then. So the one in yellows, we're gonna do with the arrow or the if then. If then means on the left true, the right false, gonna return false. True, then true. The answer is true. True, then true is true. False, then true. So this is true. True, then false. This is the case that return false. So we have one case that is not true. Therefore, this statement is not a tautology. That means tautology. Okay. So that means this argument is invalid.